Hello, RK. Where are you? Hello? Kindly turn on your camera.
It just turned off.
Ayan. Hello, RK. How are you today?
Good teacher.
Okay. Mhm. So, today, we're going to have an assessment. Okay? Can you see my screen, RK?
Yeah.
Okay. So, meaning of multiplication. Oh, by the way, before we start answering your assessment, let's have multiplication table. Okay. What is the answer? What's the answer? When you multiply 8 times 6. What's the product? RK, 8 times 6. 8 times 6. RK.
49,
49? Almost. Almost correct.
50,
No. Hmm.
and 48.
Uh-huh. Okay, I remember 8 times 6 equals 48. Okay, okay. 8 times 6 equals 48. And now, what is 7 times 3? 7 times 3, okay? 7, 14. What's next?
21,
Oh, good, 21. Next. What is 7 times 7? 7 times 7. 7 times 7.
40,
40. 40 ano?
48,
Uh-huh, 48 ba? 7 times
and
7?
47,
Mm-hmm. 7 times 7. Oh, look. 7 times 6 is 42. Oh, add another 7. Oh, what is...
49,
42 plus 7 is 49. How about 8 times 3? 8 times 3.
24,
24. Okay, correct. What is 8 times 7? 8 times 7, RK.
56,
Very good. Okay, next. 9 times 3.
27,
Good. 27. How about 9 times 6? 9 times 6. Okay. 9 times 6.
54,
Very good. 54. Next is 8 times 4. What is 8 times 4? Okay.
32,
Oh, again? 32 or 42? What's your answer again?
32,
Okay, 32. Next, 8 times 8. What is 8 times 8, RK? 8 times 8.
58,
Oh, 58. Oh, look at 8 times 7. It's already 56. Oh, add another 8.
64,
Mhm. 64. Okay, next. What is 7 times 5? 7 times 5, RK?
35,
Oh, very good. 35. How about 3 times 6? 3 times 6. You
18.
times. Oh, 18. Very good. Next is 9 times 9. What is 9 times 9? Okay.
72.
Mm-hmm. That is 9 times
81.
8.
81.
Okay, 81. How about 9 times 7? 9 times 7, okay. What is 9 times 7? 9 times 7, okay.
56.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Is it 56? 9 times 6 is 54. 54 plus 9. What is 54 plus 9?
63.
Mm. That is 63. Next. 2 times 9. 2 times 9. Okay. What is 2 times 9?
18.
Oh, good. 18. Next. What is 6 times 6? 6 times 6. 6 times 6. 30.
36.
Very good. 36. Next. 5 times 5. 5 times 5.
25.
Mm. Good. 25. 4 times 4.
4 times 18.
You always answered 18 when you multiplied 4 times 4. It's not 18. Oh, 4, 8, 12. 4 times
6.
4. Mm-hmm. Not 18, okay? 4 times 4 equals 16. What is 4 times 7? 4 times 7. Okay.
28.
Okay. How about 6 times 4? 6 times 4.
24.
6. Mhm. Very good. And last, what is 9 times 8?
72.
Ah, good job, RK. So are you ready for the assessment, RK?
Yeah.
Okay, just wait. Just wait, RK. Okay, so are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's have this. Oh, wait. Okay, meaning of multiplication. So this is an assessment for me to check if you still remember how to write. Okay, how to write multiplication sentences. Remember? You still remember how to write a multiplication equation or multiplication sentences? Oh, let me check. Okay. Write the equation that describes how many objects there are. Okay, look. How many cherries are there? How can you write? Or write your answer here. What is the multiplicand? What is the multiplier? And what is the product? Well, that is the parts of multiplication sentence, right? Okay.
2.
2 times Is it 2 times? 2
2
times
times
what? It is
6.
2 times 6 equals
2 times 3.
what's it 2 times 3? How many groups? How many
2
groups of mm,
times 3
why is
equals
it
6.
3? Why is it
6
3?
times 6. 12.
Okay. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Okay. So remember, in multiplicand, just count the number of groups. How many groups of cherries are there? Oh, count count the number of groups of cherries. Okay, how many groups? One, two, three, four, five, six.
6.
So that is 6.
3.
Hmm, what's that?
It's a cute thing.
Okay. Oh. Next, times how many cherries in each group? How many cherries in each group? There are
3. 2.
only 2. Oh. When you multiply 6 times 2, what's the answer? What's the product?
5.
Okay. Okay, very good. So how many cherries are there? The answer is 12.
2. 12.
It's 12. Okay, now, how many spider legs are there? How many spider legs are there? First is how many groups? How many groups of spider?
2.
Okay, let's write 2 here. And then, how many legs in each spider?
8.
Uh, that is 8. What is 2 times 8, RK? What is 2 times 8? 2, 4. Do the skip counting. Skip counting by 16. By 2 or by 8. I already said the answer.
No. No.
What is 2 times 8? Oh? 2, 4, 6, 8,
2.
10, 12, 14. What's
14.
next? What's next? No.
16.
Mm, that is 16. Okay. How many spider legs are there? What's your answer here? It's
16.
okay. It's 16. Next. Oh, how many penguins are there? First is how many groups? How many groups? Count the number. How
3,
many
6,
groups?
9, 12.
No, 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 no. Well, how many groups are there? Groups first.
3.
Hmm? Groups. One, two, look, three.
3, 4.
That is, there are 4 groups. Now, how many penguins in each group? Again, how many penguins in each group? How many penguins
3.
in each group? Okay, that is 3. Now, what is 4 times 3?
12.
Okay, very good. That is 12. How many penguins are there?
4.
Hmm, why is it 4? How many penguins are
12.
there? That is 12. Next. of flowers. How many groups? How many groups?
2.
Okay. How many flowers in each group? How many flowers in each group? How many flowers? Count, wait, count, RK. How many flowers are there in each group? 1, 2, 3.
5.
Oh, is it only 5? Oh, 1, 2. How
7.
many? Okay. There are 7 flowers in each group. So now, what is 2 times 7? 2 times 7, RK.
14.
Oh, very good. 14. So, how many flowers are there?
14.
Very good. It's 14. Okay, next. Oh, how many balloons are there? First, how many groups? How many groups?
2.
Okay.
10.
There.
20.
2 times. How many
2.
balloons? How many balloons in each group?
10.
How many how many balloons in each group?
2.
Is it no 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 no. How many count the numbers of
5.
balloons. Okay. So what is 2 times 5? 2 times 5.
7.
Okay. Okay. So how many balloons are there? How many balloons are there? It's
10.
okay, it's 10. There are 10 balloons. Okay, next. How many candies? Oh, first, how many groups? How many groups? How many groups? How many bottles?
Three.
Okay, there are 3.
4.
Times? Oh, very
4.
good. 3 times 4 equals?
12.
Oh, how many candies are there?
12.
Oh, good job. Okay. Oh, you passed the assessment. Oh, meaning of multiplication sentences. Okay. Very good, RK. Oh, let's have this one. We are not
Again.
done. So, this one. Mm-hmm. Oh, multiply with the arrays. Now write the multiplication equation. Find the number of shapes. Oh, just like what you did in the first worksheet. Oh,
Is it the same?
okay. Can you annotate, RK? Use your
1,
pen.
2.
Use your pen like this. Click annotate and use your pen. Write your answers in the given box. Okay. How many? Okay. 2 times. Write your equation here. You need to complete the equation. Okay, multiplication equation. I will give you an example. So 2, there are 2. 2
2
times,
times 4.
hmm, how
2
many
times
groups?
6
2 times
equals
3 equals
2 times 3 equals
equals.
6.
That's an example. Oh, try to answer this. Green boxes or green squares. Alright, your answer here in the given boxes. Okay. Okay. So after you encircle or group the squares, 3 times. How many square in each group? Oh, wait, why there's 9? How many square in each group? You already have to. Oh, right your answer. 3 times 3 equals. What is 3 times 3? Okay, so the product is the number of the shapes by the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the product tells you how many shapes are there, okay, in the given. Okay. Do you have any question, RK? Mm-hmm. Do you have any question?
No.
No. Okay. How about this? No, RK. All right. Your answer here. Okay. Oh, oh, you missed this one. Uh, there's an overlapping. Oh, okay. Very good. Okay. Next. Why did you change? Okay. Write your complete the multiplication sentence or equation. What is missing?
2
Write your answer.
times
Write your answer. Write your answer. 2 times. How many groups? Oh, wow. Next. 2 times.
2 times 2.
Why is it
No,
2
2
times
times
2?
5
Okay. All right, your answer. 2 times 5 equals.
equals 10.
Very good. All right, your answer. In the product. Okay. Okay, next. Stars. Let's have stars. But write multiplication equation for stars. Oh. Okay. Uh, what is your answer in the first box?
4
Times. Very good. It can be 4 times 2 or 2 times 4. What is 4 times 2? No. Okay. Put your answer inside of the box. Okay, so it's 8. Okay, very good. Yeah. Oh, why is it 88? Okay, see it, so it's 8. Okay. What is your answer? Your first answer. Okay, I will help you. Okay. Oh, oops. Wait, wait, wait. Okay. 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay, next. Okay, hearts. Hearts. Alright, the multiplication sentence. Two times two equals. Okay, very good. Four. Okay, next, how about triangles? Okay, triangles. Oh, very good. Okay. So next, 3 times 4 equals. Oh, what is 3 times 4? Hmm, is it 10? Is it 10? What is 3 times 4,
12.
RK? Oh, count the number of triangles. Is it 10? It is.
Wow.
Correct. That is 12. Okay. Always remember in writing multiplication sentence, okay? So look for how many groups, okay? And then how many item in each group. And then the product is the total number of the items, okay?
Okay.
Okay, oh, good job, RK. So now you are done in writing multiplication sentences. Next is, mhm, how about this one? Multiply using a number line. Are you familiar in number line, di ba? Are you familiar with this?
Yeah.
Mhm. So for each multiplication equation, use the number line and skip counting to find the answer. Okay, what is 4 times 5? 4 times 5.
4 times 5.
Mm-hmm. You can look, use this number line. But if you already know the answer, just tell your answer or write your answer in the blanks, the given blank. Go RK. What is 4 times 5? Go RK. What is 4 times 5? So 4. Count ka ulit ng 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 4. What is 4 times 5, RK? Mm-hmm. What's your answer? What is your
20.
answer? Okay, 4 times 5 equals 20. It is not, okay, your answer, your from 5 to 20, it's not the correct way. I will teach you how. Later, after 3-minute break. We will have 3-minute break. Okay, I'll see you
I think
again
it's
later. Bye
5
for now.
plus 5.
5 plus 5. Okay, I'll see you again later. I'll call you later, okay? After 3 minutes.
Okay. See you